Meanwhile, the impeachment trial on President Park Geun-hye is finally heading to a finish line. The Constitutional Court set next Friday as the date for the last hearing. For the updates, we turn to our Kim Ji-yeon.
The Constitutional Court has set the last hearing for February 24th and asked the legal teams of both sides to make their closing arguments that day. That means the ruling on the impeachment motion on President Park Geun-hye could be decided upon in early March before interim Chief Justice Lee Jung-mi's term ends on March 13th. Justice Lee said the current confusion and chaos due to a lack of a state leader should not continue and said that as important as a fair ruling is a prompt one, which is why the court has been holding 2 or 3 hearings a week for the past 2 months. The two sides' legal teams had different responses to the setting of a final hearing.
We highly respect the court's decision to make a prompt ruling on the impeachment motion.
We think the court has made a hasty and dangerous decision, and we think February 24th is too soon for closing arguments.
The president's lawyer said they need more time for the closing arguments than the date the court specified. The lawyers also said that they will consult with President Park about whether she herself will appear for the hearings now that the date for the last hearing has been set. As for Thursday's testimony in court, former K-Sports Foundation Chairman Chung Dong-chun testified that he was recommended for his post by President Park's longtime confidant Choi Soon-sil, who allegedly ran the foundation. He noted that Choi's former associate Ko Young-tae is now serving as acting chairman. Chung also said he seriously doubts that there is any substantial content on the tablet PC found last October allegedly belonging to Choi. He observed that it had been discarded by both Choi and Ko and was not protected in any way, which to him indicated it would not be storing things like the president's speeches or itineraries for overseas travel. On Monday, 3 more witnesses are scheduled to testify, including former presidential chief of staff Kim Gi-yeon. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.